It's all about humanity.
What's up, guys? It's me, Captain Everything Fun, and today, before we get into today's video, I just wanted to tell you that, well, A, I don't think I'll really use my green screen that often. B, I'm not uploading every week anymore. Now I'm uploading every Sunday. So I've got Monday through Saturday to plan, film, and edit the video. And then Sunday, when I've got lots of free time, I can upload it. Anyway, today, I'm gonna, with a snap of my finger, I will solve the Rubik's Cube. So I'm gonna need this finger for snapping. Yeah, like that. With a snap of my finger, I'll solve the Rubik's Cube. I swear, there's only one. I'm not just swapping it out. So, which means I'll have to put down the cube. 3, 2, 1. Whoa! What was all that? I was just joking, man. I thought, oh, I'm gonna snap my fingers and the Rubik's Cube's gonna be solved. But can you guys tell me like what that swirly thing was? Anyway, and would you look at that? It's still unsolved. No, I don't want to unsolve it, but what the? Oh man, this is amazing. Snap my finger. What was that again? Just kidding. As you saw, it didn't happen that time. I was just playing around. Anyway, but the first time you saw, right? It did actually happen. Thanks for watching. If you haven't already, hit that subscribe button. If you have already, hit that little bell icon to be notified whenever I upload a new video. Anyways, thanks for watching. Bye, guys.
I'ma fuck up my life.